How exercise enhances English learning. How exercise improves your English, the connection between fitness and learning. Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart English Start. Did you know that exercise can actually improve your English learning? It's true. Studies show that moving your body helps your brain process new information faster. In this video, we'll talk about why exercise boosts memory and focus, and how you can use this to learn English more effectively. How exercise boosts brain power. Your brain and body are connected. When you move, your body releases dopamine, serotonin, and endorphins, chemicals that boost mood and focus. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, helping you stay alert. It strengthens the hippocampus, the part of your brain responsible for memory. It reduces stress, making it easier to stay motivated and confident in English. The result? You learn faster and remember more. Step number 1. Walk while listening to English. Walking while listening to English podcasts or audiobooks doubles your memory retention. Your body moves in rhythm, helping your brain process language. Your stress levels decrease, making learning easier. You create stronger associations between words and experiences. Try listening to one English podcast while walking every day. Step number 2. Exercise before studying. Studies show that doing light exercise before learning helps with concentration. 10 minutes of stretching or yoga can prepare your brain for focused study. A short run or workout increases oxygen flow, improving mental clarity. Try exercising for 10 minutes before your English practice and see the difference. Step number 3. Use movement while studying. Sitting still for too long slows down brain function, so try these active learning techniques. Walk around while practicing English speaking. Use hand gestures when learning new words. This improves recall. Practice air writing. Write new words in the air while saying them. These techniques activate different parts of the brain, helping you learn faster. Challenge: try learning English with movement today. Pick one of these techniques and try it today. Loudspeaker, let me know in the comments which one you tried. Musical note: learning English isn't just about studying. It's about using your whole body and mind. Keep moving, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Rock it!